Hey, Scott with thegrowthleague.com. Today is pretty much like every other day. I get constant reminders that persistence pays off. In this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about that. I'm going to tell you a couple quick stories. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the founder of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their business, and to build something they can sell someday for a lot of money when they decide they've had enough of restoration, it's time to move on. Okay, so let's get into this. First thing I want to talk about is building your business through sales activity. We all rely on digital for so much these days, but I also don't want you to forget about good old-fashioned face-to-face sales and picking up the phone and talking to somebody. So let me just give you a couple ideas. If you are on the fence with, should I start selling? Should I have somebody in my business start selling? Should I do it myself as the owner? Let me just give you a couple quick thoughts. One, set a daily activity goal. Start small. If you're not doing anything at all right now, start small. Make it 1 call a day, 2 calls a day, 5 calls a day, 1 face-to-face visit a day, something. Just start small, but make a commitment. The second thing is when it comes to prospecting and you're trying to think like, well, I keep hearing about commercial and more restoration contractors are going after commercial work. Don't make it such a mystery. Google property managers in your area, put them on a list, and go back to that step 1, your daily activity goal, and just start doing it. Go out and see them. Pick up the phone, call them, email them, connect with them on social media. But social media is great, but don't forget, pick up the phone, call them, go out and visit them. Okay? All right, so we've got set an activity goal. We've got 2, do some prospecting. Number 3, create your own luck. I remember a long time ago when I started in this industry and I started to get traction, I was just starting to feel relieved and grateful that, good things were happening. I was getting work. And I called a mentor to let him know, again, it was another day that I got a new job through a referral source that I had been calling on for weeks at this point, actually months. And I said, I just feel so lucky. And he said, Scott, you make your own luck. You're putting in the activity. You're following up. You're making the calls. You're following up. You are making your own luck. And I never heard that expression before. So go out there and make your own luck. The 4th point is keep learning. Keep learning about your prospects' industry. Keep learning about sales. Do whatever you can do to keep learning. It's going to keep you sharp. It's going to keep it interesting. And you're just going to keep getting better as a result. The last thing I want to talk about is follow-up. Quick story for you. Today, just like every other day for the past 2 weeks, I've gotten a call on my phone. It says AAA retention. I've had AAA roadside assistance for years, since I'm 16 years old and I'm 55. I didn't renew it this year. So they were persistent. They continue to follow up. And I just renewed. I picked up the phone. My son actually had a flat tire last night, and I thought, I've really got to renew AAA. Well, I don't know if I would have renewed. I wouldn't have renewed today. I guarantee you, if this person hadn't followed up again. So be persistent. Don't take a lack of response or a lack of a referral from somebody that you're calling on as a no. Just continue to be persistent. All right. If you need anything from me, I'm here for you, Scott at thegrowthleague.com, or click the link below this video and book a call with me. See you in the next one.